Dah yuk papa, walangku ya.
Quick! Photo! Video!
Introduce him.
Introducing.
Video!
This is my father.
Yes! Yes!
He doesn't speak English. But
What, Papa? Okay. How?
let's unbox this. Wait, how do I?
Yes!
Oh, it's opened.
Cinta you. Apa itu?
Apa itu?
Oh, masih ada kotak. Oh, wow.
Oh, penghargaan. Foto.
Oh, ini ada kartunya.
Foto.
Ini terus. Oh, ini laminating. Wah, papa ko ini upah
Really
pakai
cool.
cabok ya ini ya.
Chairia!
Yes. Oh, wait, there's still more cards here. What is this? Recognize your team.
Me.
Okay, now let's read this one. What is this?
100,000 subscribers. Just one happy account. If each of your subscribers were in 1 year, we could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far.
Wait.
Hi, cat. Stop eating first. You need. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but you need to come with me.
Okay, foto.
Baik, kita bawa. Aku suka.
Oh, pindah. Papa, look at the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a glass.
Oh, you can see your face.
I can see my pimples really well. Oh, we can hang it.
Yeah, drop it.
Thank you.
Okay, you make a transition. Tutup gitu.
Like this? Like how? My hand?
Kayak gini loh.
My hand? My hand?
Jadi kepalamu.
Hi guys. Anyway, I'm back to this room where I record most of my videos. And by the way guys, I lost my tripod somewhere. So I'm sorry, I have to record in this shabby angle. I have to squat a bit. I just want to say to you guys that I really appreciate all the support and love that you have given to me, especially for the last 3 years. And thank you for being on this journey with me. I am very, 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 very grateful. And yeah, we did it, guys. We did it. I feel like crying looking at this, you know, because it makes me think that, oh, I actually help people, you know, and I just feel that warm and fuzzy feeling inside, like, oh, yeah. So thank you guys very much. Thank you for watching and liking and commenting, and I really appreciate every time there are comments. Like whenever I have bad days, I just look at comments, and you guys are just like my mood boosters and my support system. So I hope you guys know how this means to me, like how much this means to me. I'm sorry. Anyway, just sharing a little bit story of my life. I used to be a very, 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 very shy and quiet person. But ever since I upload videos on YouTube and started talking to myself on camera like this, like what I'm doing right now, and interact with you guys, I think I have developed myself into a more sociable person and really just be myself more, you know. So thank you guys for making me feel this way and for making me feel so appreciated. I hope we're going to stick together for a long time, and I'm going to keep trying my best to upload tutorials and yeah, just contents that is helpful to you guys, and hopefully you guys are still going to enjoy it. yeah, I'm going to keep this silver badge for us. Don't worry, I'm going to keep it somewhere safe away from obnoxious kids and dirty hands, including myself. And yeah, and I'm going to end this video now. Can I give you a hug? Like a virtual hug? Yeah. Good night, guys. Hope you guys have a great day wherever and whenever you are, whatever time zone you're being. Thank you very much. I hope you're going to keep taking care of your health. Remember to take a rest and drink plenty of water, okay? Yeah, God bless you. That's not a good way to end a video. Anyway, hug, guys, hug. Thank you very much.